Looking for a miter saw blade that delivers clean, precise cuts every time? Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the right blade can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the top miter saw blades, including options favored by woodworking experts and even highly rated by the Reddit community. Stick around to see which blade could take your workshop to the next level.
Number 1. DEWALT DW3128P5 DW3123 Miter Saw Blade. The DEWALT DW3128P5 is a 2-pack of 12-inch thin-curved tungsten carbide blades designed for precision, durability, and versatility. One blade has 80 teeth for ultra-smooth crosscuts, while the other 32-tooth blade handles faster, rougher cuts. Whether you're cutting hardwood, softwood, plywood, or chipboard, these blades deliver clean, accurate results. DEWALT's patented wedge shoulder design reinforces each carbide tip, reducing breakage and extending blade life. The computer-balanced plate minimizes vibration, giving you smoother cuts and a polished finish. Lightweight yet durable, these blades fit standard 1-inch arbors and maintain sharpness longer, helping reduce downtime. If you want reliable performance for both miter and sliding miter saws, the DW3128P5 is a solid choice.
Number 2. FOXBC 12-inch miter saw blade. The FOXBC 12-inch miter saw blade features 80 precision ground teeth and a super thin 0.118-inch curve for fast, clean, chip-free cuts. It works well on hardwood, softwood, veneered plywood, melamine, and MDF. The 7-degree hook angle and ATB, alternate top bevel, tooth geometry ensures smooth crosscuts every time. Crafted from high-quality tungsten carbide, it's durable and resists wear over time. Laser-cut stabilizer vents help reduce noise, vibration, and warping, keeping your cuts accurate. Compatible with most 12-inch miter, job site, and table saws, this blade is perfect for trim work, remodeling, and detailed woodworking projects. FOXBC delivers a balance of affordability and performance, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike.
Number 3. Makita A93681 10-inch miter saw blade. The Makita A93681 10-inch blade features ATF, alternate top and alternate face teeth for ultra-precise, clean cuts across hardwood, engineered wood, and plywood. Its Japanese ultra-thin kerf carbide tips reduce drag on your saw motor, allowing smoother, faster cuts with minimal material loss. Hardened, hand-tensioned steel ensures stability and long-lasting performance. Polished micrograin carbide teeth reduce friction, while the 80 teeth and 5-degree hook angle excel at miter and crosscuts. Lightweight at just 1.75 pounds, it's easy to handle without sacrificing precision, ideal for finished carpentry and detailed woodworking.
Number 4. DEWALT DW71161PT 7¼ miter saw blade. The DEWALT DW7161PT is designed for cordless miter saws and delivers precision with minimal tear-out. Its 60 carbide tips and optimized plate reduce vibration, giving you smooth, clean cuts on trim, moldings, and prefabrication projects. The miter saw optimized hook angle ensures control and efficiency, while the lightweight 9.2-ounce blade is easy to handle. With durable construction and reliable performance, it's a practical choice for both delicate and heavy-duty cutting tasks.
Number 5. CMT Orange Tool 10-inch miter saw blade. The CMT Orange Tool 10-inch blade is ideal for fine finish crosscuts. With 60 micrograin carbide teeth and a thin 0.098-inch kerf, it delivers smooth, precise cuts on hardwood, softwood, plywood, and laminated boards. Its 7-degree hook angle and specialized 1 flat plus 2 15th-degree tooth grind minimize tear-out, while laser-cut expansion slots reduce vibration and noise. The hardened blade plate and tri-metal braze teeth offer long-lasting durability, and the protective case keeps it safe during storage. Perfect for trim, veneers, melamine, and other detailed woodworking projects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert reviews. Share your favorite miter saw blades in the comments and join the discussion with the Reddit woodworking community. For the latest prices and more details on these blades, check the links in the description. See you in the next video.